Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. We are solving some examples as part of application of derivatives and especially with respect to rate of measure. So let's continue with that and try to solve some more examples. So let's look at this example. A particle moves along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. So we have been given the curve is defined by 6y equal to x cube plus 2. 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. What's the meaning of that? The change in y with respect to the change in x is 8. That's the meaning of the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Now we have to find out the coordinates x and y. For that we have been given dy by dx is 8. So I want to leverage that. So I want to differentiate on both sides. With respect to x, I will have 6 into d by dx of y, that is 6 dy by dx equal to d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of 2, which is equal to 0. Let's write that step. So this becomes 6 dy by dx equal to d by dx of x cube is 3x square, dx by dx is 1 plus 0 because constant differentiation is 0, or can I say 6 into dy by dx is 8 is equal to 3x square. If I simplify, I'll have x square equal to 16. That gives me x equal to plus or minus 4. Now I got the coordinate x coordinate, but how to get the y coordinate? For that we'll substitute in the equation. We will say x equal to 4 implies y equal to x cube plus 2, that is equal to 4 whole cube plus 2, that's equal to 66. If x equal to 4, 6y is equal to 66. That gives y equal to 11. Suppose I take x equal to minus 4, then I will have 6y equal to again x cube plus 2, that's equal to minus 4 whole cube plus 2, which is equal to minus 62. 6y equal to minus 62, y is equal to minus of 31 by 3. So what are the points we got now? The first point is 4 comma 11, that is the first point. The second point is minus 4 comma 31 minus 31 by 3. Let us cross check that. 6 into y 66 equal to 4 cube plus 2, 66 is okay. 6 into y, that is minus 31 by 3, is minus 62. X cube is minus 64 plus 2 is minus 62. So the 2 points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate are dy by dx is equal to 8 is nothing but equal to 4 comma 11 comma minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. Let's solve one more example. Let's try one more example. Let me read it out. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. So let me say there is a rectangle x and y. Rectangle length is x and dx by dt is equal to decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. So shall I say minus of 5 centimeter per minute, and the breadth or the width y is increasing at the rate of r dy by dt is equal to plus 4 centimeter per minute. That means you know that if the length is decreasing, at the same time the width is increasing. That's what given to us. We are interested to find out the change in perimeter. We are interested to find out the change in perimeter and the change in area when x equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. X equal to 8, y equal to 6. We are interested in finding out dp by dt and also dA divided by dt. This is what we are interested in finding out. So let's go ahead and try to find out first perimeter. What's the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? That is P equal to 2 into x plus y. This we know that from childhood. So we have to find out with respect to t. So let me write it down. dp by dt is equal to 2 into derivative of t with respect to x, that is 2 dx by dt plus 2 dy by dt, which is equal to 2 into dx by dt is minus 5 plus 2 into dy by dt is equal to 4. If you simplify that, you will have minus 10 plus 8, that is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. So that is dp by dt. Let's go and calculate a now. We know a is equal to x into y. Now we are interested in dA by dt, so we should differentiate on both sides. I will have dA by dt is equal to uv formula here. uv rule I have to apply. So x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt, which is nothing but equal to x we know value is 8 and dy by dt is equal to 4 plus y is 6 and dx by dt is equal to minus 5. So that is equal to 2 centimeter square per minute. 32 minus 30 is 2 and dA by dt, so cm square per minute. Let's solve one more example. Let's look at the next example. A balloon which always remained spherical on inflation. It should be remains. Actually, it's a typo. My mistake. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cc of gas per second. 900 cc of gas per second or cubic centimeter gas per second. So that's nothing but dV by dt is equal to 900. We know that. So cubic centimeter per second. Okay. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon. We have been told that shape is spherical. So what's the formula for volume then? V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases. So you want to find out what is dr by dt, and we are interested in that at r equal to 15. dr by dt at r equal to 15 we are interested. So we have been given dv by dt. So let's go ahead and try to differentiate. We will have dv by dt equal to 4 pi by 3 into dr by dt, that's equal to 3r square dr by dt, which is equal to 3 cancels out. You have 4 pi r square dr by dt, or dr by dt is equal to dv by dt divided by 4 pi r square. Now let's substitute the values we have with us. dv by dt is 900 divided by 4 into pi into r square, that is 15 whole square. If you simplify that, you will get 1 by pi and r dr by dt, so it is centimeter per second. 1 by pi centimeter per second. 4 into 225 is 900. 900 cancels. We have only 1 by pi centimeter per second. In the coming session, we will look into some more examples, maybe intermediate level examples, because we are doing very simple examples just to get the idea and to get the concept. So I'll catch you again in the next session. Thanks for your time and support.